radio section.
Whoa! Hello, everybody. Today's a special good day because we're making a new sudden death sustain lead. This one is amazing because it was a request made by Hwacha, and it is about the maze of confusion. So basically, we're going to make the sustain that sounds like this. So once again, let's check it out. Awesome. So I remade the sustain from the Maze of Confusion song by Sudden Death, and today we're going to learn how to make it together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be making bangers here. So first thing we did was we made one layer, which was a serum layer, and then another layer, which was just a sub layer, just sub bass. We grouped them together and we added saturation. So we're kind of pumping it. And then we're adding a disperser. This is a Moonboy disperser. You can add kilohertz as well. Turned it down a little bit. And we're EQing both of the signals like this. Adding a reverb, adding another EQ. We're boosting the frequencies here, cutting the frequencies here. So we're kind of shaping both of the sounds together. But today we're going to learn how to actually make the serum patch here. And there's also different ways that we can create multiple basses. So it's going to be fun. We're going to be able to make all kinds of sustains. So first, we want to open up Serum. I'm going to solo this, and I want you to take mind of the level. We're at -9 here, -10 over down here. This is it soloed. We have some post-processing going on, like an easy clean rack and an EQ, which we're going to get to later. That's with post-processing off. All right, so basically, this is using sine waves, the most simple wave. There's also a sub sine wave going on here. So if I just turn off the filter, oscillator B, and the sub, first you go to basic shapes, grab a sine wave, turn on FM from B. I have it up 54%. Random's all the way down. Turn on oscillator B, add another sine wave, random down. Level is also down. And this is going to go into oscillator A because of this FM from B right here. This is with it off. This is with it on. So we're starting to get into the right location. Keep in mind the note that we're using is D0 for our note in the piano roll. Now, if we add this filter, we're going to get a high notch filter, 12. We're going to put the cutoff on 82. And then we're going to put the resonance on 63, frequencies at 21%. Go to your LFO, add LFO 1, the rate's on 1/2, and it's on envelope. And we're going to make this shape. Basically, it's just a line, but it's like kind of halfway down. We're going to add the LFO to the cutoff, turn it up 25, add it to the frequency knob, turn it up 17. This is going to add movement, as you'll see here, and cut out some of the frequencies. So we're like cutting out these lows and just moving it, adding some movement. We add a sub. We get like the little square sign, and we're going to click direct out. We're going to let the sub go through, no effects. Put the LFO on it, turn it up 100. Awesome. So we already have a pretty cool sound, but we're going to turn off the effects so that you can hear how we got there. The distortion, compressor on multiband, and the filter are on. Without the effects, it sounds like this. So it's nothing. So we're going to turn on the compressor, multiband, gains at 16.1, release is at 20, attacks at 7, and ratio is at 4:1. Multiband is on. This is going to turn it up. And then we're going to add the filter. We're going to turn on the ring mod. And we're going to put the cutoff on 882, resonance on 69, drive on 67. And this is going to add a whole lot of difference, a whole lot of sound. This drive is making it louder, just so you know. So we're going to come back to this so we can make more sustains here shortly. But first I want to show you the post-processing. We just add an EQ, cut off some of the lows, and cut some of the mids like this here. Just turn them down. Then we had this easy clean rack, which is Ray Volpe's Special, Reduce Ambience, OTT, and Camel Crusher. The only thing I did different was I added the Drip TT, which is just more multi-band compression, making it a little louder. Output's on 4.6. So this is just making the sound loud. So really bringing it out, lots of multi-band compression. Now, if we go into Serum, we can look at the effects, go to the ring mod, and we can start messing with the cutoff. So right now we're at 882. But anytime we move just a little bit on this cutoff, it's going to make a different tone, different sound. You can tune the frequency to a note in your scale, like the root note, D, for example, or even the third, like F. So you can do that, or you can just move it around and find a tone that you like. So we'll move it. So before. We'll listen with the mix now. So before. Ooh, that even sounded dope. And then we can change it. So many tones. It's so sick. You guys can have so much fun with this and make so many sustains. It's not really that hard, honestly, because what we're just doing is making a simple sine wave, making it loud, putting some cool filters on it, and then we're, remember, layering it with a sub. This sub is just the Dripment sub Akuma, as shown in the Akuma sub video. You can look at that video and get it in the description. This sub is my favorite, and it's fat and thick, so you guys get that. But that's basically it. So I just want you to hear as well. This is the sustain, but in the song we have it layered with a sub. This sub is from the Hesh video that I just posted. This is basically the same project, but I've just made the song better and added a lot more stuff, as you can see. So if you want to learn how to make this sub as well, just watch my last Hesh video, and you guys enjoy, go hard. That's the Sudden Death sustain. You guys have fun, subscribe, and if you want this full project file, you can get it in my Patreon. There's lots of goodies there. Thanks for the support. Have a good day, guys. Peace out. Stay fresh. Later.